Okay, then quickly we will switch to a new topic. First, we will discuss about the long-term planning. So those who are already working with SAP or any implementation, you must know about this long-term planning. But in the production planning, how actually this LTP is used, that's what we discuss here. Anyone has any idea about LTP? I mean, if someone has already worked on that, anyone can unmute. Okay, so basically, see, personally, this package is available. I mean, LTP product is available in SAP ECC since very long, and even in my experience also, I never implemented that because it's not really workable. Okay, and maybe that is the reason SAP came up with pMRP now. Okay, so basically, what is LTP? LTP in SAP production planning is used to check the future demands at all the BOM levels. That means when we are planning, okay, for the future forecast, we are getting the sales forecast from the sales team for future 1 year, 2 years, and based on that, LTP will help us to do the planning on a simulation mode and check whether our manufacturing capacity is able to produce that much of component in that specific period. If you take a very basic example, there are some company who are actually manufacturing seasonable product. Okay, like in the Diwali festival, let's say, if you check about the sweet manufacturing company or this thing, the specific period there is a huge demand for that, the specific product, and in the other period it could be the same. So might be in Diwali festival time or in other month, the requirement of that product could be high. So when they do the forecasting for, let's say, future, let's say this is 21 going on, and if they want to do the forecasting for 2020, so they need to understand in that specific month if the future customer demand is going to at a spike, whether our in-house manufacturing capacity is able to produce that much of product. If not, what are the different kind of solutions on that, or what are the different corrective actions that can be taken. So if we are running this planning on a real active version, then that may disturb your current planning also, right? So LTP gives us an facility to do that planning on a simulation mode. So basically, this is not actual mode. This is a simulation. This is not actually MRP run. This is a simulation MRP run where we can get the plan independent requirements and all the capacity constraints created. Okay, and we can simply look into the report and check. Okay, in which month there is a capacity constraint, or in which month we may have a raw material extra requirement which our vendor is not able to, may not be able to supply that. Based on that reports, we the planner will be able to do the corrective actions on that. So this is a very very basics about the long term planning. So if you talk at a very high level, LTP provides us, one is, as I said, simulation planning for future demand, correct? Second, it will help us to preview of capacity planning information, correct? It will help us to look into the capacity planning information. Also, it will help us to preview uh, of planning cost. That means in that specific month, as per the activities and overheads or something, what could be the planning cost or what could be the manufacturing cost that we may need that time, right? Also, it also help to preview of purchasing information. That means to produce that specific finished material, let's say in January, let's say this is the January, right? In October month, we might have a huge requirement from the customer because of the seasonable requirement. Okay, and that time we might end up with the no stock situation for the raw material, or we might get that kind of situation. So it LTP helps to provide that kind of information also, okay, on the simulation mode. So basically it helps us to preview of inventory situations or inventory management. So if you see here, is all about preview. That means LTP provides us the different kind of reports, okay, which can be analyzed, which could be analyzed by the planner, and based on that, planner will be able to take an action. Okay, so basically in LTP process, okay, we have major 5 steps. Okay, again I will put one. The first is we need to create a separate scenario. Okay, we will discuss in detail what is that and how it has to be created in the system. Okay, then we need to define the forecast plan. Define forecast plan in that planning scenario. In the scenario. So what will happen here? What we are talking forecast plan. Okay. So first we need to define one scenario, and in that scenario we need to define the forecast plan. Like let's say for 2020, what could be the sales forecast, right? That we need to define it there. Once we will have that forecast plan, then we can run simulated material requirement planning, simulated MRP for that specific scenario. So I'll put for that scenario. Okay. Once we will run that, simulated plan, what will happen? System will propose us the procurement proposal, but that will be on a simulation mode. That will be not a real PR or real procurement proposals. Okay. So based on that, we can definitely go and do analyze the results. With help of different results, different result analysis, planner can simply go and check that results. Okay, and finally what planner can do, if he feels okay for that specific month we have that kind of constraint, so we might use some different production line for that, right? If planner is happy with that, he might check and he might be able to give the take a corrective action saying, okay, if there is a requirement in month of October, we can go and transfer that requirement to maybe September or maybe in March or February. We can pre-produce that material. Based on that, the requirement which is there in the month of October, that can be distributed to the other month, I mean prior to that month, and he can save that plan on inactive version. Then he might send that plan to the management for the approval, and if management will approve that plan, he can simply transfer that plan from that inactive version to active version. Correct.